This looks so easy to put together. Okay, take this bracket, set the arrow facing the same way the wire is coming out. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. All right, so then for this piece, then you're gonna turn it upside down and you're gonna screw it in here. Your cable's gonna face these other screw holes because that's where you're gonna mount them. Okay, so now that we're done, it actually didn't take that long to set up. And let's give you guys a better angle, showing you guys how this exactly works. So take a look at this, guys. Look how high that goes. And press it in, push down, let go. If you want it here, let go. So guys, this is really nice. Again, it was easy to install. Anybody can do it. We got our lever right here. I mean, this thing is pretty cool, guys. So this is gonna work great for us, for all of our needs. And what's nice about this, you know, it goes in so you can actually stand really close if you want. What's nice about this, you can easily move it around. The wheels work great. You can lock the wheels in place if you need to lock the wheels. You can set stuff on the sides there. It's high enough, great for standing, great for sitting. You know, it's not going to sit for a long time, so that's why it's something like this. It's large enough that you could put a monitor up here. So if you had a monitor, you could put a monitor there, your keyboard here, and your mouse pad here, or laptop here. So it's big enough for pretty much everything that you need. Unless you have like a 55-inch monitor, like then it might go way a little too big. But overall, it's really nice. I like it. I like it a lot.